We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to change and reset your drum on a Brother HL-L6200dw. So first thing you're going to do is open your front hatch here by that little button. Pull this lever out. Then you'll want to separate your toner from your drum. By pressing this blue button right here, it'll release it. Put your old drum to the side so you don't get them mixed up. Take your new drum, put your old toner inside that drum. Once you hear it click, you know it's in there. And then you'll want to take this little blue thing right here and just move it across just a few times. You always want to put it back in its locking place where the arrow is. You'll hear it click. Okay? Then put your drum inside the printer. In order to reset your drum, you do need to leave the hatch open, so don't shut that yet. And then what you're going to do is you're going to hold OK for about 2 seconds until it says drum unit. And then what you're going to do is hit OK again. And then hit the up button to reset. It'll then say accepted. Cover's open, so then you'll shut your hatch. Printer will then reset the drum. If you guys are in need of supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.